on this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money from home as a complete beginner working from home. This is not something that you need experience to do. I'm going to show you free tools that you can use to do the work and then earn money from home without any experience, without any skills. So make sure you watch this video till the end so that you get everything that you need to understand in this video. And if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. So the first tool that we are going to be using is Mediaio. This is an online tool that you can use to work from home and then make money online for free. As you can see on your screen, free online video, audio and image tools. So this is a tool that you can use to create videos. It's a tool that you can use to edit audios. It's a tool that you can use to edit images. So this is a great website that you can use to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to use this particular tool to make money for free as a complete beginner. So as you can see, they have a lot of tools. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for a free account. As you can see, this is my account. We are going to sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account, you are going to click here online tools. So once you click on online tools, you can see a whole lot of different tools that you can use for free. As you can see, a whole lot of different tools here that you can use for free. As you can see, you can use it to remove your image backgrounds. You can use the webcam recorder. You can use screen recorder. You can use it to remix songs. You can use it to compress audios. You can use it to compress videos, add text to videos, video editor, auto subtitle, mp3 converter and the rest. So it has a lot of tools that you can use to do whatever that you want. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use this website to do the work for others so that we can earn money for free. So one of the tools that you can use to make money online as a complete beginner is that you are going to come right here, select remix song. Once you select remix song, you can see auto remix music to change audio length with high quality, driven by state of the art AI, and it is easy and free to use, so you can use it to remix songs for free. Now how do you use this particular tool to make money from home? What we are going to do is that we are going to be selling a gig on Fiverr so that you can get people to send you songs. You are going to use this particular tool to remix them. So let me show you. As you can see on Fiverr, I just search for remix songs. Let me scroll down for you to see. As you can see, there are a lot of different gigs on Fiverr. As you can see, this one right here, the starting price is $25. You can see this one, the starting price is $35. You can see this one, $100, $200. As you can see, a whole lot of different gigs and their prices. As you can see, $25, $35, $25, $40, and then the rest. So as you can see, a whole lot of different gigs and they have their own prices. So what you are going to do is that you are going to create your accounts on Fiverr so that you can use Mediaio to remix the songs and then earn money for free. So this one, for instance, you can see that the starting price is $35. So let me click on it to show you more. As you can see, that is the starting price, $35. As you can see, the standard package is $60. The premium package is $90. So if you are able to get people to hire you to remix songs, you are going to be earning money. You can see right here, this fellow has 2 orders in the queue now. So assuming all these orders are in the basic package, you can see that he's going to earn $70 within some short time. If all the orders are in the standard package, he's going to earn $120 on Fiverr. You can see the premium package, he's going to earn $180 on Fiverr. So this is something that you can equally do. The good news is that you are not going to do the work yourself. You are going to use Mediaio to do the work for you, and you are going to be earning money on Fiverr. A lot of people are not aware of this website, so you are going to seize that advantage to make money from home as a complete beginner. That is not all. There's another tool that you can use to make money on Fiverr as a complete beginner without doing the work. So when you come here, you can see this one right here. We have deepl.com. This is an AI tool that you can use to translate sentences from one language to the other. So as you can see right here, detect language. So I'm going to put a text here and then translate for you. You can see language here is German. So you can select a whole lot of different languages here. As you can see, many of them. So you can select those languages and then translate the sentence that you are given. So let me demonstrate that for you. So as you can see right here, I just want to copy this sentence. What is matters? The sentence is in English, as you can see right here, and you can see the translation in German, as you can see it right here. So if you want to copy your text, you are just going to click on this particular box and you are going to copy the text onto your clipboard. You can equally translate to any language of your choice, as you can see them right here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come back to Fiverr. Let's search for translation. As you can see, translation, some are charging $10 as starting price, some are charging $5, $10, $100. When you scroll, you can see $5, $5, $100, $20, as you can see it right here. As I scroll, you can see it $5, $10, $105, $105, $10, and the rest. So what you are going to do is that you are going to create an account, and the good news is that you can create one Fiverr account and you can use it to sell many gigs. So what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account, you can sell 2 gigs, 3 gigs, and you are going to be making money on Fiverr for free as a complete beginner without doing the work. So let me analyze this one for you. Alright, as you can see here, that the basic package is $20. You can see the standard package is $40. When you come to the premium, you can see that it's $80. And as you can see right now, the fellow has 5 orders in queue right now. So the fellow has to translate these 5 orders and then earn money. So as you can see here, it is the translation is translate English to Spanish. So when you come back to DeepL, you can see that you can equally translate it to Spanish. Let me show you. As you can see Spanish right here, so you can translate English to Spanish. So what you need to just do is that you are going to select Spanish. You can see that the sentence has changed from English to Spanish, and that is all. What you need to do is that you are going to just copy it onto the clipboard so that you can paste it onto a Word document and then send it to the customer. So assuming the customer gives you the work in a PDF document, you can upload it here. In a Word document, you can do it. PowerPoint, you can do it. You can just upload it here and then translate it within the matter of minutes and then send it back to the customer, and you are going to be earning money. As you can see right here, he has 5 orders in the queue. So assuming all these orders are in the basic package, that means he's going to be earning $100 right now. If all the orders are in the standard package, he's going to be earning $200. Premium package is going to be earning $400. So this is one of the easy ways that you can use to make money online for free as a complete beginner. So make sure you create an account and then use the free tool that I've just showed you so that you can be making money from home as a complete beginner. So before we end the video, let me just show you the tools again so that you can sign up for your free accounts and then you begin to use them. The first tool that I talked about is Mediaio. So just go and search for Mediaio so that you can sign up for your free accounts. The second tool that I talked about is DeepL.com. So this is also an AI tool that you can use to translate language. So make sure you search for these 2 websites so that you can create your free accounts and then create a gig on Fiverr so that you can be using these tools to make money from home as a complete beginner. And then the good news is that you can equally sell your gigs on people per hour. So once you list your gigs on Fiverr, you are also going to list the same gigs on people per hour, and you are going to be getting people to hire you to do the work. As you can see here, translation. So the gigs that you can sell on Fiverr, you can equally sell it on people per hour, and you are going to be making money from home as a complete beginner. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.